Hi all. My name's Tasia Fitzgerald. If you haven't met me yet, it's awesome to meet all you beauties. I'm just doing a quick little clip so that you guys have got a bit of a run through of what's in front of you, what's in your hot little hands now. So I just want to lead you through what I do on a daily basis. So to start with, we have amazing liquid collagen. So crack that, get your NRF2. Obviously, this is our winner. Oh, there. One of those in and gobble it up. Oh my gosh, that's so good. All right, remembering with that, our beauty regime starts from within. So our liquid collagen, we are already prepping our gut, our body, everything for looking younger, feeling better. All right, so we have our internal cleanse is happening right now. We're going to start with our external cleanse. So we've got the beautiful True Clean cleanser, enzymatic cleanser. I've already done my quick little cleanse in the shower. Little quick note, it is always best to double cleanse. So before you jump in your shower, I want you to get a little bit of, you see a teeny tiny bit there, a little bit of your cleanser. You're going to pop it on your skin. It's such a lovely creamy emulsion. Now, remembering always, please remember that your skin, your face, it starts down here. Here to here is where we're cleansing. You can already see I'm getting quite a bit of a flush. So it's already, my cells are waking right up. So we're going to do a lovely cleanse. We're going to pop that on our skin first up. Jump in, turn on your shower. Let those little enzymes eat away those dead skin cells as you're prepping your shower. Then have your cleanser in your shower ready to roll. And you're going to repeat that process of cleansing your skin. Now, what I like to do is I like to actually get in. I love to clean and exfoliate inside my ear and behind my ear. So please don't forget that. It's a wonderful way of keeping your ear nice and clean. Beautiful on the décolletage because that's where we really want a lovely clean base also to receive our firming serum. Oh, honestly, the feel, the smell, I'm just feeling it. I'm feeling alive. And as soon as you put it on your skin, you're going to feel the same difference. Beautiful enzymatic cleanser. So ladies, that is your cleanse and exfoliation. I want to make sure that I've got that off really well. Hope you're having an awesome day today. I'm very excited that you get to do this with me. All right, little cleanse. We've done our cleanse. Now we step into our firming. I'm just going to show you the box. Our True Renew Firming Serum. This is an incredible product, girls. So just a little amount, a teeny tiny on my finger. I'm running it across my fingertips, pressing it on, and I'm now going to work all the way up. What do we want our skincare to do when we're asking it to firm? We want it to firm, but which direction do we want it to firm? Down and sideways? No, we want it to firm up. So this beautiful firming lotion will go over, this serum will come in and you can actually go around the orbital bone, which is wonderful. But we are going to get in and over those lids with our eye cream. So up. It is such a wonderful feeling. It is so slippy. It's such a light emulsion, but you can feel your skin just absorbing it and doing wonderful things. Okay. Look at that. My skin's already starting to, this is a lot for me to be without makeup, and I'm quite vain, really, you know that. So I'm normally never in front of a camera without anything on. This little guy. Now, True Lift. This product, I think, really has its own, like the whole line works so well together. But this little guy he is your go-to always. So I think have it in your handbag because then you can show people how wonderful it is. You can keep it in your fridge to keep it cold. But the stainless steel top on this is so amazing. It's so flat. So as it actually comes on you and as you're working it, what I like to do is just create a little pea. You're coming, whoop, hello. And we want to do, I'm doing this so I can't really see, obviously. And we're going to do a little P for the other side. 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to work that serum into the eye area. And of course, what we want to do is work up the orbital bone. This is so wonderful that you can, give me a little bit more, please. Been doing paperwork all morning, so my eyes are a bit dry, waiting for this eye cream. Beautiful. Now, if you were to do this in a treatment, like professionally in a treatment, you could easily do this with your little, obviously we always apply our product on our ring finger because it's the lightest finger for around our eye area. Now, the eye area is 8 times thinner than the skin on our face, so we don't need a lot of product, but it's so nice just to press in to your brow and really work it. It just feels so lovely and cool. I know you want to be doing that with me. I'm going to do the other side. I already feel like I can see something going on there. Hello, hello, hello. Beautiful product line that's actually going to help remove puffiness, redness, diffusing redness. It's going to help alleviate any tired, aching eyes, but the firming that it does around your eye area is just phenomenal, girls. So this product alone retails for over $80 by itself. Hello, I'm going backwards and using the computer. Beautiful. Now, remember always, you don't have to do it as I'm taking my time in this because I love the feeling of it. And I think we deserve to spend a little bit of time on working our product around our eyes. Whatever is left over, it is phenomenal to really press out our upper lip. So really working away those, if we've been being fabulous when we were younger, not realizing that smoking was not so fabulous, we can get rid of those little remnants that show that off. Okay, right, next, girls, is our TrueScience Hydrate. If we can see that, yes, we can. Beautiful. You've received this, so it's now in your hot little hand. A small amount, a lovely light emulsion. Distribute. So if you didn't know, I actually do this for a living. So I'm trying to teach you ways of being able to do this, because this product that you have in your hand is actually what I use in my professional services. So up, and now we want up, and really, like, take a moment. This is your time just to either prepare yourself for your day ahead or say goodnight from the day that's been. Be grateful for what's ahead of you or what you've actually just achieved, and just take that little moment. Oh, press that gorgeous product into your skin. Now, this is so beautiful because it helps to remove pigmentation. It helps to keep a barrier and a blocker so that you don't create more. Okay, girls, so that is our lovely skincare routine, ritual. That's what you've now learned. So enjoy your beautiful products. Get out there, share it, because it's a beautiful line. One shot, 30 days, guaranteed. You have nothing to lose. Give it a try and let it feel the difference. Feel it on the outside, feel it on the inside. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy, and God bless. See ya.